today's video I am doing sort of a get ready with me vlog style video on how I got my hair to look like this basically. So let me get my phone so I can make sure I got the correct details for y'all on this hair, because I already know y'all want to know. This hair is from supervirginhair.com. They hit me up and they wanted to send me some hair. I managed to get some 613 hair this time, so I'm super excited. And yeah, let me go ahead and give y'all the details. This is the 613 blonde color best Brazilian human hair extensions body wave 3 or 4 inches bundle with lace closure, and it is a 4x4 closure. Yeah, I have Brazilian. I'm pretty sure I have Brazilian. I have a 20, a 22, and a 24, and an 18-inch closure. I'm pretty sure. I mean, I recorded it so you can see the length and everything once it gets to that part of this video. But yeah, so and of course I've got a closure. I don't actually have a frontal in my hair right now. This video is, and I say this later on in the video as well, this video is inspired, or this hair color is inspired by another video that I found here on YouTube. Her video will be linked down below. I used some Revlon hair dyes. The exact names will be linked in the description, or not linked, they will be in the description for you to get as well. I got them from Walmart. I used 6 boxes, 3 of each color, and yeah, pretty much used all of that. So my process of like how I did this was I shampooed the bundles and the closure in a purple shampoo bath from using the Shimmering Lights purple shampoo, and I pretty much just dipped those in it until the color turned from yellow into sort of like a more toned down blonde basically. I did the closure first and I left it in a little too long, so it turned purple a little bit, but that was fine because I was gonna dye it anyway. And it really wasn't that big of a deal, so I just went ahead and did the closure first, and then I realized, okay, maybe take it out a little bit earlier. I just used some Tresemme shampoo and conditioner, like regular white shampoos and conditioners. Well, I didn't shampoo it using the Tresemme shampoo then. I just used the conditioner at first, and then I dyed the hair. I would mix one of each color together, mix it up, and then I would put it on, you know, the closure, the bundles, and then I would let it sit for however long it said in the instructions of the hair dye, which I believe was like 25 minutes. I let it sit in like a plastic bag, which you will see those, the little baggies, the Ziploc baggies that I used. And yeah, I just pretty much did it like that. It probably would have been better if I unraveled the bundles. That way the hair was spread through thoroughly, which is why I had to use 2 extra boxes, because I originally bought 4 and I ended up needing to use 2 more of each. So it probably would have been better if I would have just like spread the bundles out and then did it that way. But I didn't. I left them wrapped up how they came, and you know, pretty much I washed it with the Tresemme white shampoo and then the conditioner, and I let it just air dry until the next day, and then I went ahead and blow dried the rest of the bundles just to make sure it was completely dry, and then I just went ahead and made my wig. You know, I made my wig, and you'll see the process from here how everything else went, and this is basically just the end product. at this point, I just got off from work. I wore the hair to work today and yesterday. I like made the wig yesterday morning. I had work from like 1 to 10 yesterday, and I wanted to wear the wig that day, so I made it. It was just like straight yesterday and like blow dried, and I kind of just like put it in like a side ponytail. Then last night I put some flexi rods in it. I didn't put like a whole lot in. I put like maybe 10 or so. And this is how the hair looks right now, because I woke up kind of late today, so I didn't get to like spray it or anything, so the curls didn't hold whatsoever. But y'all are about to see me curl the hair anyway. I think I'm just gonna do flexi rods again because I don't really feel like curling it with a wand. I don't. Although I'm maybe maybe I'm thinking about it. I don't know. Flexi rods kind of heavy and it's still like daylight outside, so I will be carrying those around all day. Anyway, I'm about to go and re-glue my closure down because it's just on one side right here. This is how my closure looks, by the way. I need to redo it, obviously, because I slept in this wig, so it kind of slid a little bit. You can see my edges. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and redo that. I'm not gonna record it because I'm really not the best at it, and I'm sure there's like better videos explaining how people do that. But I can show you what I'm gonna use. Okay, so yeah, let's grab it and leave. Lighting sucks. So I'm gonna use the Got To Be styling gel. I ordered this from Amazon. It's like a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but you know, whatever. I heard a little goes a long way with this, so I'm just like, okay, I don't want to put too much in my hair anyway. And then I'm also going to be using the Freeze spray, which this one I got from Walmart. So boom, yeah. And I'm just gonna, you know, a little bit of that, a little bit of blow drying, lay it down, and yeah, that's it, because it's not a full frontal, it's literally just this right here. So yeah, you can see my Eddie peeking out. It likes to come and say hello. Make sure I lay it all the way. I was gonna do some baby hairs, but I was like, I mean, I don't really need them. I might add some dark roots though. If I do, it won't be anytime soon because your girl is baroque. Thinking about it, I don't really think I need to, especially like after I put makeup on. Like right now, I obviously don't have makeup on. I just have my eyebrows on a little bit. But yeah, I feel like after I have makeup on, I don't really need the dark roots. And just like a matte girl, yes. Basically, like I'm inspiring this hair color off of another video that I seen. I'm gonna link her video down below. Her name was like, I ain't gonna try to say it because I don't know how to say it, but yeah, I'm gonna link her video down below, and it's kind of like what I was going for. I used very similar colors to her, so I ended up needing 6 boxes total, which you will see that I had explained I needed 6 boxes. I thought I originally needed 4 because she originally had 2 and then ended up needing 2 more, but she had like a wig, so I mean, I guess it makes sense. I had bundles, and I probably just ended up, you know, misdistributing the products. Also, obviously, I don't think she toned the hair in her video. I think she just went ahead and dyed it, but obviously I toned. I used the Shimmering Lights purple shampoo. I decided not to use the conditioner and use just like a regular white conditioner based off of some other videos that I had seen. They had just used a shampoo that was like purple, and then they used like a white conditioner. So I used a Tresemme conditioner, just any one, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, I think I'm still debating on whether or not I want to use flexi rods or not. So I guess I can do flexi rods but not re-glue my wig on right now. But no, because I open up tomorrow too. I don't know, y'all. You know what? Okay, I'm a flexi rod it, right? I'm a flexi rod it, but then like I'm gonna take the wig off. So let me see if this is, yeah, the glue done pretty much all came off. So yeah, I think I'm gonna flexi rod it, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and take the wig off, and I'm gonna let it sit all day and all day tomorrow while I'm at work also, because I'm pretty sure I'll open up again tomorrow. And then when I get off of work, you know, I'll put my wig on, do my makeup, and y'all can see what your girl is looking like. Okay, what's popping?
Don't touch my hair when it's the feelings I wear. Don't touch my soul, no, no, when it's the rhythm I know. Don't touch my crown This is the vision I've found. Don't touch what's there. When it's the feeling everywhere, they don't understand what it means to me. Where it chose to go, where it meant to know. And they don't understand what it means to me. Where it chose to go, where it meant to know. You know this every smile she wrote around, I give it time. But this every smile, you know this every smile she wrote around, I give it time. But this every smile, what you say to me, 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 what you say to me.
Okay, so I put on a little bit of makeup. I didn't do nothing too crazy because, you know, it's the AM and I ain't got the energy. So yeah, because I gotta go to work. So the curls fell just a little bit. They'll probably continue to fall because his hair is pretty long, it's pretty heavy. So I guess I will continue to film later because I'm thinking that I might have to add some curls just so we can, you know, get some good pictures. Okay, my food's done.
I tried to change it with my hand. I ran my credit card below. Thought a new dress would make it better. I tried to work it away, but that just made me even shudder. I tried to keep myself busy. I've been around in circles, think I make myself dizzy. I snapped it away, I sexed it away, I read it away.
Product right now. So I did flexi rod this hair about 3 times because this hair does not hold a curl very well. So yeah, as you can see right here, like I literally just took down the flexi rods not that long ago and the curls are already falling. So yeah, this hair does not hold curls very well. So I'm thinking about just straightening it and wearing it straight. We'll see. But yeah, girl, you know what I'm saying? She's cute. I like it. I like the way that this turned out. I think it looks really good on my skin tone. I'm happy that I decided to dye it and, you know, everything and tone it and everything, just because the yellow from the 613 blonde can be a bit harsh sometimes, and I feel like you really have to go in on your makeup. Whereas this one, you can chill out a little bit. Like right now, I just got like a simple, you know, simple look. And I feel like, you know, it's very nice. The hair speaks for itself. Let me go ahead and just give y'all like a quick update, just because I don't really think that I need to do any extra updates with this hair. So I have received some shedding from this hair. About 90% of the wig I sewed, which meant, you know, I didn't have to cut the bundles. And then when I got to the top, like right before the closure, or the frontal closure, yeah, right before I got to the closure, I decided to just go ahead and use the hot glue gun, just because I was I made the wig right before I had to go to work, and like I said, you'll see that I wanted to wear it to work. So yeah, I just decided to do the hot glue gun at the very last minute because I wanted to go ahead and get it done, and I still had time to get ready for work. Tangling though, I'm actually not getting that much tangling. The hair still feels pretty good, pretty similar to how it felt when I first got it. It's not as like silky and soft and smooth, but at the same time it doesn't feel like super damaged at all either. Like it doesn't even feel damaged whatsoever. It just kind of feels like some hair that, you know, has been, you know, a little processed, which is fine because it has been. But yeah, I really love this hair. I'm so happy that Super Virgin Hair let me use some of their blonde hair, because a lot of companies, I know that they don't, you know, want to do that, and I'm happy that they allowed me to, you know, use the hair, because I can showcase this to y'all and let y'all know that, you know, there's some blonde hair. If you're looking for some blonde hair, they got some good blonde hair, because look, girl, look, you know, she's looking good, she's nice, she's still flowy, she's bouncy. So if you wanted some hair that you could dye and it would still look good, look at me being extra. If you wanted some hair that you could dye and it would still look great, then, you know, boom, here you go. That's pretty much it as far as the review goes, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.